Power up fast with the latest charging tech. 100W GaN chargers deliver blazing fast power in a compact, efficient design, perfect for laptops, tablets, phones, and more. If you want one charger that handles it all without overheating or bulk, this tech is a game changer. In this video, we've picked the 5 best 100-watt GaN chargers that stand out for speed, safety, and overall performance. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Essager ES-CD37 GaN charger. Designed for modern power needs, this high-performance GaN charger delivers a seamless charging experience for users who rely on multiple devices throughout the day. Built with advanced gallium nitride technology, it provides up to 100 watts of output, allowing demanding devices like laptops to charge quickly while maintaining stable and efficient power delivery. Whether you are working remotely, traveling, or managing a busy desk setup, this charger ensures your devices stay powered without bulky adapters or tangled cables slowing you down. The compact, travel-ready design makes it especially convenient for users on the move. Its lightweight build and sleek black or white finish allow it to slip easily into a backpack or carry-on, making it a dependable companion for business trips, vacations, or daily commuting. Despite its small size, it is engineered to handle heavy workloads, delivering consistent performance even when charging multiple devices at the same time. Wide device compatibility is one of its strongest advantages. It supports a broad range of electronics, from MacBook and other USB Type-C laptops to the latest iPhone models and Samsung Galaxy smartphones. Tablets, wireless earbuds, power banks, and other USB-powered accessories are also supported, reducing the need to carry multiple chargers. This versatility makes it ideal for users with mixed ecosystems at home or in the office. Equipped with 4 charging ports, it allows simultaneous charging without compromising speed or safety. Intelligent power distribution ensures each connected device receives the optimal output it needs. With support for multiple fast charging protocols such as PD and QC, the charger automatically adjusts to different devices, delivering faster charging while protecting against overheating, overcurrent, and short circuits. This balance of speed, safety, and efficiency makes it a reliable long-term solution for everyday charging demands. Pros: fast charging, compact design, multi-device, wide compatibility. Cons: single cable, premium price. Number 4. Asometech H881 GaN charger. This powerful GaN charger delivers up to 100 watts of output while maintaining a compact and travel-friendly form. By using advanced gallium nitride technology, it achieves higher efficiency and lower heat generation compared to traditional chargers, making it suitable for both daily home use and frequent travel. Its solid construction and certified safety standards ensure reliable performance even under heavy charging loads. Intelligent charging technology is integrated to automatically detect connected devices and deliver the optimal power required. This smart power management helps protect devices from overcharging, overheating, and voltage fluctuations, extending battery health over time. A built-in display screen adds practical value by showing real-time charging status, allowing users to monitor power output and connection activity at a glance, which is especially useful when charging high-power devices like laptops. Compatibility is a major strength, as the charger supports a wide range of fast charging protocols, including USB PD, Qualcomm Quick Charge, Samsung Adaptive Fast Charge, Huawei FCP, BC 1.2, and other widely used standards. This ensures seamless charging for smartphones, tablets, laptops, and accessories across different brands. From the latest iPhone and Samsung devices to MacBooks and other USB Type-C laptops, it adapts efficiently without requiring separate adapters. Designed as a travel-type charger, it operates from a standard AC power source and features multiple output interfaces, including USB-A and dual USB Type-C ports. This allows users to charge several devices at once while maintaining stable performance. Certified by UL, FCC, CE, RoHS, and CCC, it meets international safety and quality requirements, providing peace of mind for long-term use. With no high-concern chemicals involved, it aligns with modern safety and environmental expectations, making it a dependable and versatile charging solution. Pros: high power, smart charging, display screen, broad protocols. Cons: larger size, limited ports. Number 3. Wekome WP-U155 GaN charger. This advanced GaN charger delivers up to 100 watts of output while maintaining a compact and efficient form factor. Using stacked structure gallium nitride technology, it achieves higher power density with reduced heat generation, allowing reliable performance even during extended charging sessions. The wide input voltage range from 100 to 240 volts AC makes it suitable for global travel, ensuring consistent charging whether at home, in the office, or abroad. Dual USB Type-C ports provide full-power fast charging support, each capable of delivering up to 100 watts with intelligent power adjustment. This makes it ideal for powering high-performance laptops such as MacBook Pro, Ultrabooks, and other USB Type-C notebooks, while also supporting smartphones and tablets at optimal speeds. PPS support enables dynamic voltage adjustment, improving charging efficiency and battery health for compatible devices. Reversed charging capability further enhances flexibility, allowing power flow to adapt based on connected devices. The USB port adds extra versatility by supporting up to 60 watts of output and a wide range of fast charging standards. This ensures rapid charging for popular Android devices from brands like Samsung, Huawei, and Xiaomi, along with compatibility for accessories such as wireless earbuds, smartwatches, and power banks. Intelligent power distribution allows multiple devices to be charged simultaneously, balancing output to maintain stable performance without overheating or power drops. Engineered for broad compatibility, this charger works seamlessly across a wide ecosystem of devices including iPhones, iPads, Android smartphones, tablets, laptops, and wearable accessories. Its efficient GaN semiconductor design allows industry-leading power delivery in a smaller footprint compared to traditional chargers. With support for multiple fast-charging protocols and robust internal safety protections, it delivers a dependable, future-ready charging solution for users managing multiple devices every day. Pros: high power, triple ports, wide compatibility, fast protocols. Cons: no display, heavier build. Number 2. Vention TZ-FET GaN charger. Engineered to meet the growing demand for high-power, multi-device charging, this advanced GaN charger delivers a total output of up to 100 W while maintaining a compact, travel-friendly form. Built with efficient gallium nitride technology, it offers improved power density and reduced heat compared to traditional silicone chargers, ensuring stable performance even during intensive use. The durable PC material housing adds strength while keeping the overall design lightweight and suitable for daily carry or international travel. Intelligent charging technology allows the charger to automatically recognize connected devices and supply the appropriate power level. This smart adjustment not only maximizes charging speed, but also protects devices from overheating, overcurrent, and voltage fluctuations. With support for major fast charging standards such as USB PD, Qualcomm Quick Charge, Samsung Adaptive Fast Charge, and Huawei fast charging protocols, it ensures seamless compatibility across a wide range of modern electronics. Equipped with 3 USB Type-C ports and 1 USB-A port, it offers exceptional flexibility for users managing multiple devices simultaneously. The primary USB-C ports can deliver up to 100 watts when used individually, making them ideal for charging power-hungry laptops like MacBook models and other USB-C notebooks. Secondary ports support efficient charging for smartphones, tablets, and accessories, while intelligent power distribution balances output when multiple devices are connected at once. Designed for global use, the wide input voltage range supports stable operation from standard AC power sources around the world. It is certified to meet CE, FCC, and RoHS standards, ensuring safety, reliability, and environmental compliance. With no high concern chemicals involved, it aligns with modern safety expectations. This charger is a practical solution for users seeking a single, powerful hub to replace multiple adapters without sacrificing speed or reliability. Pros: high power, multiple ports, smart charging, travel ready. Cons: no screen. Number 1, and the winner is Ugreen CD226 GaN charger. Built to meet the needs of power users and modern multitaskers, this high-efficiency GaN charger delivers a strong 100W output while maintaining a compact and travel-friendly design. By utilizing advanced gallium nitride technology, it achieves faster charging speeds with improved thermal control compared to traditional chargers. This allows it to remain cool and stable even when powering demanding devices such as laptops, making it a reliable choice for both home and travel use. Designed as a travel-type charger, it operates from a standard AC power source and supports a wide voltage range, ensuring consistent performance in different regions. The solid build quality and certified safety standards provide confidence during long charging sessions. With no high-concern chemicals involved, it aligns with modern safety and environmental expectations, making it suitable for everyday use across different environments, including offices, hotels, and shared workspaces. One of its key strengths is broad compatibility across devices and charging standards. It supports major fast charging protocols such as USB Power Delivery, Qualcomm Quick Charge, Samsung Adaptive Fast Charge, and Huawei Fast Charging technologies. This ensures seamless and efficient charging for smartphones, tablets, laptops, and accessories from multiple brands. Whether charging an iPhone, Android device, tablet, or MacBook, the charger intelligently adapts to deliver the optimal power level. Equipped with multiple output interfaces, including 3 USB Type-C ports and a USB-A port, it allows users to charge several devices at the same time without sacrificing stability. Intelligent power distribution manages the total 100-watt output efficiently, prioritizing connected devices based on their requirements. This makes it an excellent all-in-one charging hub, reducing cable clutter and eliminating the need to carry multiple adapters. Its compact form, combined with powerful performance and wide compatibility, makes it a practical and future-ready charging solution for users managing multiple devices daily. Pros: fast charging, multiple ports, compact design, wide compatibility. Cons: no display. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.